tell me you are coming?
I need your help.
I know
I'm not supposed to be here. But I don't have any other place to go. See, you are my best friend, my bestie. The only man that understands me.
It's okay. What's that? What's the problem?
It's my house rent too. My landlord is after my life. That man has been on my neck. And they have not even paid us for the past 6 months now. I don't have any money. Bestie, please, you're the only one that can help me. Please.
How much is that?
3 million.
Ha! 3 million.
Yes. And I'll pay you back in 3 months, I promise.
What about your boyfriend?
My boyfriend, he's going through some difficult time at the moment. I just finished paying his own rent and his parents' rent. I don't want to stress him. That's why I come to you.
Oh, you don't want to stress him?
I don't want to stress him at all.
Do you have Bible there, right?
My Bible.
Check the book of Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. Check it.
It's about to go down.
Yes, got it. It says, do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows.
No me talk about and sowing day for Bible.
Okay.
I've been working. I've been sowing. I have been cultivating.
Okay.
And another Okoko is eating the fruit of my labor. Alababogi this girl. Since I met you, I've been playing the role of boyfriend. I pamper you, I console you, I buy you wigs, clothes, skincare, even pad. The pad there you look with this girl, eh? Hey! After all this my investment, all my millions, eh? You carry the only thing where you supposed to give me, you carry and go give that one bingo. Ya tag. Chop you like Obama in Sube. Ya me age ke someone here like here. Eh? See, even now you don't give you bow leg. Yeah?
Notch. Does that mean we cannot be friends without you sleeping with me?
I can't accept
Sorry,
that.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Okay.
Like, I see you as my best friend. A shoulder to cry on.
No.
When you need a shoulder to cry on, that is when you remember me, not Reverend Father. Not one father.
God forbid.
Okuya, Asa, my shoulder don't pay me. My shoulder don't pay me. I'm about this girl. Come they go your house. Come they go your house. Come they go.
You see, woman, hey, woman are cupboard, woman are condemned, woman are acid, woman are everything. Woman will kill you.
Nani kwa manya o.